In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install Fynzo app. Go to the Play Store and search for Fynzo Survey and install the app. After installing the app, open the app and go to the dashboard and choose Create a new survey option. Choose the type of question view, either conversational or classic, and name your survey. The next step is to add questions. Go to the Add New Questions icon and write down your questions and options. Fynzo also allows you to choose format of questions, be it multiple choice, smiley, star rating, checkbox, number, or statement. Add as many as questions you want. In Fynzo, you can also reorder questions in the end. So this is how your survey is going to look like. You can share your survey via multiple platforms. Your customers will fill your survey and you will get your responses. You can view responses by going to View Responses option. You can view overall graphical report, or you can view individual responses. Thank you for choosing Fynzo. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to view responses. Click on View Responses and choose Graphical Report if you want to view responses in the form of graphical report that summarizes all your responses. You can also click on Individual Response if you want to view every single response. Fynzo also allows you to download a particular response in the form of PDF. You can also choose tabular view if you wish to view responses in the tabular format. Fynzo also allows you to download a particular response. Thank you for choosing Fynzo. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add logo and background image. Go to the Edit option and choose Logo Settings. Upload an image from your device. After choosing image, resize it and save the changes. The next step is to change the background. Go to the Background settings and upload an image from your device. After uploading it, resize it and save the changes. After adding background image and logo, this is how your survey is going to look like to your customers. Thank you for choosing Fynzo.